Denuclearization, a step towards global peace. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the concept of denuclearization. It's a term you might have heard in the news or in political discussions. But what does it really mean? And why is it significant? Let's dive in and unravel the essence of denuclearization together. Denuclearization refers to the process of reducing or eliminating nuclear weapons. It's a goal for many nations to ensure peace and stability. The term nuclear often relates to weapons with massive destructive power, derived from nuclear reactions. So, denuclearization is essentially about making our world safer by reducing the threat of these weapons. Why is denuclearization crucial? Firstly, it aims to prevent the catastrophic effects of nuclear warfare. The destructive power of nuclear weapons is immense, and their use can lead to humanitarian disasters. Secondly, it promotes global stability. When countries agree to denuclearize, it reduces the tension and potential for conflict. It's a step towards trust and cooperation among nations. Despite its importance, achieving denuclearization is complex. Issues include 1. Verification. Ensuring that countries genuinely eliminate their nuclear weapons is challenging. 2. Security concerns. Some nations view nuclear weapons as vital for their security and may resist disarmament. 3. Political will. Denuclearization requires strong political commitment from all parties involved. In recent years, there have been efforts and treaties aimed at denuclearization. For instance, treaties like the Non-Proliferation Treaty, NPT, play a crucial role in preventing the spread of nuclear weapons and promoting disarmament. In conclusion, denuclearization is a crucial step towards a safer and more stable world. While challenges exist, the global community's continued efforts towards this goal are essential. Remember, every step towards reducing nuclear weapons is a step towards peace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has enhanced your understanding of denuclearization.